there's actually a purity. Yeah, what is this? So guys, this is the entrance to mine is one of the brand key card. That's the one it looks like. Guys, it's inside and it also has yeah, I think I'll show you guys TV safe. But they said all the prices here have changed, Abby.
Ask me. Have you? Hello. No, but
I did. But it's raining. No, it's not raining, it's drizzling. It's been raining, drizzling since yesterday. Yeah. I hope I'll put egg. It's giving ukukuleku.
oh, this is nice.
We're going down.
Yeah, just for the sake of me.
Yes. So.
From the edge of history, are you this?
What a day. What a day. But I enjoyed this so much.
Don't know that.
There's life.
No, keep coming.
All this water.
Why Yoruba put it at the ground and come to the warm water tree? That is what we call field tree. Wow. Look at the tree.
Very common
in the demarcation tree. So they are using it for landmark. Look at the picture.
Cold. Well, come on, sit there.
So it is warm.
My people, breakfast has ended. To feed for my mat making, even though I'm almost late, because I was working, trying to be a good employee. So yeah, what you think, guys? Can you announce this sister? I'm gonna marry you.
Yes, when there's nothing coming out. Okay.
If you don't mind.
No problem.
See what I will. Yay. Okay. To repeat my clothes. It is what it is.
time to say goodbye, people. All of this.